Hey there viewers, and welcome back to another video. Did you know that most people reach for snacks in the afternoon? The reason is a natural drop in energy levels and a long gap between lunch and dinner. Once that happens, we are mostly looking for snacks that would get us back on track. In this video, we'll explore the 8 best vegan snacks to keep your energy high on those long days. Stay with us till the end to learn about a secret vegan ingredient that goes into brownies and makes them an energy-boosting treat. Share your guesses in the comments below, and if you find this information helpful, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Snacking is part of our daily diet. It can play a significant role in our overall health and well-being. If we are mindful about snacking, it can help maintain stable energy levels, prevent overeating during main meals, and provide essential nutrients our bodies need. The key is to forget about those bags of chips or candies and make nutritious choices. Now let's see what vegan snacks can boost your energy during the day. Number 1. Spicy roasted chickpeas. Spicy roasted chickpeas aren't just an ordinary snack. They're a vegan powerhouse of energy and flavor that'll make your taste buds dance. Chickpeas are packed with protein and fiber, making them a powerful snack that provides lasting energy, no matter how hectic your day gets. 1 cup of cooked chickpeas provides 15 grams of protein and about 12 grams of fiber. Protein is essential in repairing and building tissues in your body. Fiber is fantastic for your digestive health, helping with regular bowel movements and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. To make spicy roasted chickpeas, start by rinsing and draining a can of chickpeas. Then pat them dry, toss the chickpeas in a mix of olive oil and your choice of spices and spread them on a baking sheet. Roast in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes until they're crispy, and you've got a delicious, energy-boosting vegan snack with a spicy kick. Number 2. Sweet potato hummus. Sweet potato hummus is not your average hummus. Imagine the creaminess of hummus combined with the natural sweetness and complex carbohydrates of sweet potatoes. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, sweet potatoes offer a slow-release source of energy. They'll keep you feeling satisfied and fueled without the dreaded energy crashes. But here's where it gets even more exciting. Sweet potatoes also contain antioxidants, which help combat free radicals and keep you feeling fresh and vibrant. And finally, hummus, with its combination of protein and healthy fats from tahini, offers a great balance to sweet potatoes. To make sweet potato hummus, start by roasting a medium-sized potato until it's tender. Then blend in a food compressor with a can of chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and your favorite spices. Blend until smooth and you've got a creamy, energizing vegan snack. Number 3. Avocado and rice cake. Avocado ranks among the plant foods with the highest fat content, which is why it's a favored choice for those following vegan and vegetarian diets. They are packed with monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy and slow to digest, providing a sustained release of energy. These fats also help in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, ensuring your body gets the nutrients it needs to stay energized. Avocados also contain potassium, a vital electrolyte that aids in muscle function and overall energy balance. But what about a combo with rice cake? Rice cakes are low in calories and high in complex carbohydrates. They serve as an excellent source of quick energy, while their fiber content helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. This means no sudden crashes or energy slumps after indulging in this tasty snack. Want to find out more about health benefits of avocados? Check out our video on the best food to eat for breakfast if you have diabetes. Moving on. Number 4. No-bake peanut butter rolls. When we think about energy, our mind usually goes to peanut butter. The reason is simple. Peanut butter is rich in healthy fats and protein, providing you with long-lasting energy that won't leave you feeling drained. Peanuts are a fantastic source of unsaturated fats, which are known for their heart-healthy benefits. These fats are slow to digest, ensuring a steady stream of energy. The protein content in peanut butter also contributes to sustained energy as it helps keep hunger at bay. No-bake peanut butter rolls are further enhanced with oats, which provide complex carbohydrates, offering you a steady release of energy throughout the day. The absence of baking means there's no heat involved, preserving the nutrients quality of the ingredients. Plus, these vegan snacks are easy to prepare, making them a convenient choice for a quick energy boost. Simply mix together peanut butter, honey, and oats until well combined. Then roll the mixture into bite-sized balls and refrigerate them until firm. Number 5. Trail mix with popcorn. Yes, you heard it right. We said popcorn. Trail mix with popcorn might sound unconventional, but it's a brilliant vegan snack for sustaining energy levels. And here's why. Popcorn is a whole grain packed with complex carbohydrates, offering you a lasting source of energy without the sugar crashes. When combined with the nutrient-rich ingredients in trail mix, it becomes a dynamic duo. Trail mix, typically a blend of nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and sometimes chocolate, provides a variety of nutrients. These include healthy fats, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. As an additional benefit, a trail mix with popcorn is a perfect fusion of salty and sweet flavors. If you want to try out different snack options, Nature Box could help you out. It's a monthly membership that offers wholesome snacks without artificial sweeteners, flavors, or colors. Specifically, the snacks inside Nature Box features adaptogens like maca, moringa, turmeric, and ashwagandha, as well as CBD snacks and gummies. Get the discount code in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Number 6. Stuffed dates. Stuffed dates are an excellent vegan energy snack. They offer a combination of natural sugars from dates, healthy fats and proteins from fillings like nut butters or nuts, and fiber content. The natural sugars provide immediate energy, while the healthy fats and protein contribute to a long-lasting feeling of fullness and alertness. Meanwhile, the fiber helps stabilize blood sugar levels, ensuring you remain energized and satisfied. The classic combination of dates and peanut butter is undeniably tasty. But for those seeking a richer and more decadent option, consider filling dates with almond butter and a small piece of dark chocolate. You can also embrace the tropical vibes by stuffing dates with dairy-free coconut yogurt and a delightful cube of ripe mango. If you're in the mood for a savory treat, experiment with almond butter and pistachios. Number 7. Kale Chips. This leafy green superfood is rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and calcium. These nutrients play vital roles in energy metabolism, muscle function, and overall vitality. Kale is also a great source of iron, which is essential for carrying oxygen in the bloodstream, promoting endurance, and combating fatigue. The fiber content in kale chips helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing crashes and providing a gradual release of energy. The minimal processing required to make this vegan snack preserves the majority of its nutritional value. All you have to do is season them lightly and bake in a single layer at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes or until crispy. Number 8. Edamami with sea salt. Sounds like an appetizer at a Japanese restaurant, but you can easily turn it into a vegan snack. Edamamis are an excellent source of plant-based protein, offering a significant amount of amino acids essential for energy production and muscle maintenance. This protein content, coupled with the complex carbohydrates found in soybeans, provides a balanced and sustained release of energy. Edamami is also packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including folate, vitamin K, potassium, and magnesium, all of which play essential roles in energy metabolism, nerve function, and overall vitality. The addition of sea salt not only enhances the taste, but also helps maintain electrolyte balance, which is crucial for maintaining energy and preventing dehydration. Now it's time for that bonus tip. Many of you have probably guessed it right. The secret vegan ingredient in brownies could be black beans. They offer a fudgy, chocolatey indulgence with a more nutritious twist. To make black bean brownies, start with rinsing and draining a can of black beans. Blend the beans in a food processor with cocoa powder, a natural sweetener like maple syrup or dates, and a small amount of oil or nut butter for moisture. Add flavor enhancers like vanilla extract and baking powder until you achieve a smooth batter. Bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes and enjoy your fudgy and nutritious black bean brownies. That's all for today's video on 8 vegan snacks to keep your energy levels high. Keep in mind that reaching for healthy snacks throughout the day will help you avoid sugar crashes and feel full longer. Thank you for watching Dr. Eats, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Until next time, stay well and eat right.